Hi, this is Tim McKee with Market-Decoder.com, and this is the week in review. And what a week we've had. Just one of the best weeks we've had all year so far, and we've had some great weeks. So let's take a look at what we've done. All right, this is Monday. And remember, all examples are based on 10 contract trades, okay? So Monday, starting off, we had 6 trades for plus 83, not a bad way to start the week. That gave us $830, and the weekly total, of course, just for one day is $830. But you can see all our trades here. We had a nice little sell-off and then retracement, and on we did. So 6 trades for 83. On Tuesday, we have 7 trades for plus 96, and again, these totals are based on a 10 contract trade. So that equals $960. So our weekly total for 2 days was $1,790. Great trade that day. I believe we just had one, one loss, but all the rest were winners. Here's Wednesday. Huge swing high we had in the morning. In fact, the market went up all day, which is not what we were expecting. We really thought the market would start to dip because of the impending tariffs that were going to come out at 4 o'clock that day. So a lot of trades that day. We had 11 trades for plus 97. That was $970 in earnings. So the weekly total for the 3 days was $2,760. All right, and then came Thursday. So the tariffs were announced at 4 o'clock on Wednesday, just before the market closed. I put in a one contract trade for overnight, and it went up 600%. And that one contract earned me $1,442. But then on Thursday, we started having the huge sell-off that's happened for the last 2 days. So we did 5 trades for plus 81. And again, that was $810 for the day. So the weekly total was $3,570. But then you add the $1,442, and we get weekly total for the 4 days of $4,992. All puts, all positive. And then there's Friday. Same thing happened overnight. We had a big drop overnight and then continued to sell off into Friday, which is today. And we had 7 trades for plus 166, huge day. And that was $1,660. So that gives us a weekly total of $6,652 for the week. Really, really good week. But here's the thing that I really want to point out is no matter which way the market is moving, we make money. Whether price is going up or it's going down, we make money in both directions, which is the real power of options. So this really becomes a great way to hedge against negative market moves. And we've just had a tremendous week. So thank you for watching the Week in Review. This is Tim McKee with MarketDecoder.com. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next Friday.